सो फ्रेंड्स, फाइनली ओप्पो वॉच एक्स ईयरबड्स जो है मलेशिया में लॉन्च होने जा रही है। यहाँ पर यह जो ईयरबड्स है मलेशिया में 29 फरवरी को लॉन्च होगी एंड दिस इज rebranded version of OnePlus Watch 2 and no big difference, only name change and talking about specifications and price. So first of all, here you see this smartwatch look and design and look is very pretty and talking about specifications. So this earbuds, this smartwatch is really fantastic and also starting in this video I am say this is a rebranded version of OnePlus Watch 2 and name is this smartwatch OPPO Watch X. So and mostly features at this time not revealed, but rumors says and many about this smartwatch specifications is rumor says in this smartwatch 1 GB RAM and 5000 mAh battery backup and IP68 rated this smartwatch and 1.43-inch OLED display in this smartwatch. And talking about price, so price is not revealed at this time, but I think this smartwatch launch in Malaysia approximately $80. So what do you think this smartwatch? What do you think about this is smartwatch? Please tell me and thank you for watching this video.